Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. So today I'll be showing us how I made this beautiful, very simple Aso Oke hairstyle. So if you want to see how I made it, keep watching. So this is the ashoke I'm using. The width is 18 inches and then the length is 17 inches. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and create my pleats. I already have a detailed tutorial on the video on my channel on how to create your pleats, so you can do well to check it out. I'm going to put the link on the description box. Please do well to check out the video. Most of this head wrap, you just need to know how to create your pleats. So that's that. So after creating my pleats, I went ahead to place it on my head and then start arranging the pleats. I just cross it, then hold it under my arm, that's to secure it. Then I went ahead to start arranging the pleats. Make sure you arrange the pleats properly. Let them all equal, and then make sure that they are not far away from each other. So that's that. Just go ahead, take your time to arrange your pleats, because the pleats also add to the beauty of the head wrap. So after arranging the plate, I went ahead to arrange the back one. Then I also try and create a plate with the left hand side. You can see the way I'm doing it. So after creating, just also make sure that you arrange it. So after arranging it, I folded it. You can see the way I'm folding it. I folded it. I'm trying to make sure that it's tight. Is tight on my hair. Then after folding it, I use a rubber band to hold it. You can see the way I'm doing it. So make sure that you use a rubber band to secure it properly. This is very, very easy to do. So after that, for the little part left, I went ahead to use office pin to hold it so that it's going to be firm. Just make sure you secure the edge with the office pin. So after I'm done with that, I'll go ahead to just twist the other side. You can see the way I'm twisting it. Twist it and then just cross it over and fix it into the other side. Just try and look for a place to fix it. If it's long enough, you can actually fix it at the back, but mine is not that long enough, so I'm fixing it towards the side, like it's towards the side, but it's close to the back. So that's that. So the next thing, I'll go ahead and open that upper part. You can see the way I'm doing it. This place, it was not firm, so I had to use the office pin to hold it down. I noticed that fixing it alone, it came out, so I had to use the office pin to hold it down. So after using the office pin to hold it firmly, I went ahead to arrange the upper part. Just play around with it, just play around, just look for something, just play around with it, open it up, arrange it, just play around and make sure that you are able to achieve a beautiful style with it. Just open it up, spread it, just play around with it, and it's going to give you a very fine design. Your design must not be exactly like mine, but make sure that the design you make from it is, it's beautiful and presentable. So I tried folding it that side, it was not looking okay, so I just left it and then decided to use the office pin to hold it. So that's just that. It's as simple as ABCD. So for the other side, I just, just pin it down. So that's just it. After that, just this is final arrangement, and that's just it. So you can see our head wrap is ready. Tell me, isn't this style very easy to create? I hope you can create something like this. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. Till I come your way next time with another interesting video, do have a lovely, lovely day. Bye bye.